And here comes the last topic that we have to understand is the writing part. Now when we are writing something, for example, we are given to write about a fabric, the Banarasi fabric. Now how will you write it? If I say Banarasi fabric, you have to start from where? Banarasi fabric is smooth, it is soft, and it is used in so and so outfits, and it also has use in some other kind of upholstery or accessories. That's it. Now when we are writing about something, there are three main points that we have to consider. First, every topic has its introduction. Remember, when we meet someone for the first time, we try to introduce ourselves. We don't try to tell what we are doing, we try to tell who we are. Right? So the same thing. Now when I am saying about Banarasi fabric, so it weighs back to the tradition of India, and then from which place it belongs to, how it has been into the tradition, what is the modern usage. Then the Banarasi fabric, I will tell something very important about it. First is the introduction, from where. Okay, from where. The body, the main part is what is it? What is it? And the third would be how it is used. What are its applications? So in general, when I'm talking about any topic, it will have three top things that I have to consider, or three things that we have to consider. One is the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Okay, so you have to introduce the topic, you have to write something about the topic that forms your core, and the third one is conclude it. So whenever the topic is given, introduction also plays a vital part. When I am talking about introduction, please take a note when we are talking about any kind of thing. When we are talking of any kind of thing, what is that thing? From where its origin is? First we have to go to the origin and then start explaining it step by step. Please don't start explaining what is Banarasi fabric, rather than start from where, what, and how it is used. This would be your structure. And I would say this, that practice makes man perfect, and the more you read, the more you write, the more you try to structure your sentences, you come across many errors and you have to rectify them, and this is how you learn. And it's not only for any essay writing, even it goes for letter, even it goes for any kind of writing. The three parts remain the same. Thank you.